If you're a consultant, trainer or advisor, I'm going to explain something that a lot of business owners struggle with, and that's pricing your products or services too low. There are many problems with pricing your services too low. 3 common issues are: number 1, customers will perceive it to be of low value and tend to buy it and shelve it. Number 2, you need to spend tons on marketing to build your numbers. I'll come back to this point further in the video. Number 3, you attract the customers that do not fit your customer profile. What I mean by this is that you're attracting customers that only want to pay nothing or very little for a product or services you're offering. Remember, you're not just selling something, you are offering a solution to a problem. Your ideal customer will be someone who is ready for you to solve their problem, therefore will realize the value of your solution. Now then, there's only one person that is stopping you from pricing high, and that's you. And it's the little gremlin that stops you in your tracks and says things like, "People won't buy this product if it's too costly. I can't pull off a price hike like this one. People might think badly of me." Seriously? Are you kidding me? You probably haven't even tested the market and you're telling yourself that. Don't ever sell yourself short. So do one thing. Every time that gremlin appears on your shoulders to whisper shit in your ears, tell them to fuck off. It's simple. Now let me give you an example. Let's say you're trying to aim to make 100k in the shortest possible time, say for example 90 days. If you and your gremlin sold a product for $9.99, you would have to find 10,000 customers. To attract 10,000 customers to buy from you, you need to pitch to around 200,000 people, assuming a 5% conversion rate. Guess how much that will cost you in marketing? On top of that, you won't have a life. Now let's assume that you sell your product or service at $14.95. It's a slight tweak on the original product. That service will be the same as the $9.99, but you would tweak it a little to add more value. To hit 100k, you only need 66 customers. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is far more achievable in terms of marketing and obtaining those numbers. Also, the people who buy for $14.95 are going to value the product or service more than the customers that are paying just $9.99. To market to the 66 buying customers, believe it or not, takes a lot less marketing effort. Not only will you hit the 100k quicker, but you'll also have a life. Now, you may be wondering, how the hell do I make 100k in 90 days? The steps are pretty simple, but the work involved is quite involved. The first step is to have complete clarity about how you're going to transform your customer's life from where they are today to where they want to be. The second step is to create a personal brand. Third step is to become an authority in the field by writing an ebook. Fourth step is to package your solution. Fifth step is to create a social following and post valuable content every single day consistently. Step 6 is to refine your proposition from the comments that you receive from your followers. Step 7 is to pre-launch your course on a webinar. If you'd like to find out more about how this is done, just comment below. Or if you know other business enthusiasts that want to learn this process, please add them to the BML group.